should minimize the schedule of shutdown. We should minimize the cost of construction. We should minimize the HSE concern. So this is the main agenda of the ADNOC system. So ADNOC says that before we start the construction, although we have got HED, NVID, OHID, and we are going to have the WMS system, but we need to think in advance, much ahead to start the construction. We can see, can some challenge may impact our schedule, our manpower, our cost, our inventory, and our overall productivity. So just be open. I mean, highlight anything, whatever you have regarding constructability. Probably you feel that this is not right question, don't hesitate. Even if it is not right question, speak up. Probably your questions will trigger us to do something, right? So guys, this is the systematic approach. Yes, systematic. Why systematic? Because we have some guideline. We will have some guide words. We will go one by one. We will start from mobilization. We will start for the planning. We will start for the construction steps. We will go in the deep construction. Then we'll go for overall. So this is systematic approach. And then we will try to see that is there any problem for mobilization? Is there any problem for planning? Is there any problem for material inventory or truck movement, something like that? And then we'll go for structure type. The benefit is this one. We will improve the construction safety. This is the most important aspect for us because we cannot go for single fatality or single permanent total disability or temporary total disability. Improve or reduce the project schedule because 1 hour into 100 people is much cost. So every hour, every day is a cost for company. Reduce the